So hey, what's up gamers? Welcome back in another Suburb video. So basically in today's video I gonna tell you how you can make your own advanced bot invite command for your bot. It's super easy for you if you do watch the full video. So first of all let me show you guys how the invitation message that we will make for our bot looks like. So here is my bot support server. But ignore the server XD, it's not made yet.
So here is my invite command which I am typing. And the message sent. And we got attractive embed reply form the bot, which contains a bold heading, some describing lines about the bot, and below a link to invite the bot. And in this video I will also tell you people how to make the animated GIF which you can see on your screen below the message. Yes, for your custom bot. And then we have a get in DM button which will get this invitation message in your DM. As you can see I got a DM for the bot for this message, and we do get a DM sent message reply also. So, without wasting any further more time, let's get into the video. So first you have to go to the Botghost dashboard, then modules, and then /commands section. As you can see, it is new /commands heading. Below this there is a command builder button, click it. Then you can see there is import command button, click it also, and enter this CMD code which I will be giving in the description. Copy paste it here and click import. After it, you do not have to change the invite trigger. I am doing because I already have a command with this name. Below this you edit the description according to your bot. Furthermore, in the embed message do the same, change the words according to your bot, or according to your will, like I am showing to you some of the changes. And in the place of invitation link, just copy paste your bot invite link here. And finally now, we will create animated GIF for our bot, like I shown you at the beginning of the video. Now for it, I will give you a website link in description of the video. By clicking it you will come at this site. And here you can choose any of your favorite template for free. For now I am choosing this one. After it, here enter the details you want to add for your bot or any of specification according to your will. And lastly click the render button. Clicking it will start a quick rendering. You have to wait for it to complete. Afterwards download this from this download button. Then go to Discord. Then in any of the chats, just upload the downloaded GIF for copying the link. After uploading on Discord, copy link for the GIF. And simply paste it in embed message footer image. Do it for the both embed messages. And also do not forget to copy paste all text written in first embed including headings, title, description, and GIF link. After copy pasting all the things, recheck it one time for any left boxes or places, because if you left any places, the command will not be saved. And after rechecking, click the button Save Command to save command. And after saving the commands, hooray! We had made our new advanced invite command. Much better than the default one. Lol. And if the /command is not showing, then just simply kick and re-invite the bot. After kicking and re-inviting. Now, let's check the command if it's working or not. So here we sent the message, and yes, the bot reply with the embed message that we just made. And clicking the get in DM button is also working, with replying sent in DM message. So, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. You can show some support by giving a like to this video below, and all links and the CMD will be in description. And also do not forget to subscribe. See you in another superb video. Till then, bye.
Hang 'em from the yard.